as we like to say, my love. I know a lot of people like to poke fun of us for such a silly and sappy nickname. However, I see this as a reminder every day on who we are to each other. There's nothing I would change as we head into marriage. So on that note, I want to make some promises to you. I hope we can look back on these vows every year on our anniversary to always remember this moment. I promise to always be there for your ups and downs. I'll be there to cheer you on when you take 5 steps forward, and I'll be the person you lean on when you take 2 steps back. I promise to always remind you that everything will always work out, especially during the tough times our relationships will face. And I know that growing up, you never liked being alone, but today, in front of all of our friends and family, I can officially promise you will never be alone again. James Douglas Kirk III, I cannot wait to start my life with you. I'm so honored to carry on the Kirk name and to carry it on to future generations. You are mine and I am yours. I love you forever.
Jess, before I met you, I was a sorry excuse of a man. I was just a kid who happened to be 26 years old. I was a really nerdy engineer who thought big things that spin and create power were the coolest things on the planet. There's a second right behind you. These past 3 years have changed me in ways I cannot begin to describe. You have shown me a love that my heart cannot live without. I want you to know that today, this very special day, is all about you. Today is the day we get to make our love official. All of our friends and family have come here today to witness our love. I promise to be committed to our marriage. I want you to know that I hold our marriage in the highest regard. I will continue to work on bettering myself because that is what you deserve. You have my commitment that each and every day I will strive to be a great husband to you. I promise to support you through the tough times and of course the best times. The hardest working woman I know. I am yours and you are mine.
James and Jessica, by the power vested in me by the state of California, I now pronounce you husband and wife. James, you may kiss your bride. Family and friends, it is my honor to present you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. James and Jessica Kirk.